Oceana departure, Navy Blue Angel 7, passing 1,000 for 4,000 on the Apollo 3. Oceana departure, Navy Blue Angel 7, passing 2,000 for 4,000 on the Apollo 3.
Blue Angel 7, Oceana departure, radar contact, with direct knots, climb and maintain 17,000.
With direct knots, climb and maintain 17,000, Navy Blue Angel 7. Alright, gives it a little pull. And there you have it.
Hey, that's amazing. Gorgeous.
Always explain the maneuver first. Make sure that you're okay with it. I'll tell you when to flex, what it's going to feel like. Once I get your approval to go ahead, I'll give you a cadence. Every time that we pull more than 3 Gs, then it'll sound like this. Ready, hit it, and then we'll move. So the important part is you want to be fully flexed and ready for the maneuver before it happens. That'll give you the best chance of fighting with your legs. So as soon as you hear me start to do that cadence, get your head in a comfortable position, take a nice 3/4 breath of air, and then squeeze the legs most importantly, and then we'll move. Does that make sense?
Yeah, great.
Good deal. Do you have your phone on you?
I do.
If you want to pop that out right now, which is while we're heading to the area and take some selfies, this is a great time to do it. And then I'll let you know before we do anything dynamic. I'll just have you tuck that away and zip it up.
Navy Blue Angel 7, contact Giant Killer on 361.3, we'll see.
361.3, Blue Angel 7, thanks, sir. Go ahead. Incredible. Giant Killer, good morning, Navy Blue Angel 7. It's level 17,000 to work the co-use. We are established. We've talked to everybody we needed to talk to. We're going to start this with a 3G turn to the, let's do a 2G turn first.
Okay.
So you'll feel your arms and your head get heavy. No need to flex on this one. It's just about awareness. Right there, we are at 2 Gs. You feel nothing crazy. Your body knows something else. Something ain't right. But that's about it. And we'll roll out of this turn. We're going to resume with 3 Gs to the left. On this one, I want you to go ahead and tighten the legs, and I'll give you that cadence so we can practice that.
Okay.
Here comes 3 Gs to the left. Ready, hit it. There's 3 Gs right there, so squeeze the thighs. And we are rolling out. Giant Killer, Gypsy 1-2 is complete RTB and trail of Gypsy 1. We're going to do our last turn, 4 Gs to the left. Ready, hit it. Gypsy 1-2 flash. There's 4 Gs right there, so a little more difficult than the last ones. Hold what you got. Rolling out. How was that one for you?
Gypsy 1-2, radar contact, 20 miles east, south. Gypsy 1-2, contact us button 5.
Gypsy 1-2, switching to 1. Maneuver complete.
Awesome.
Nice work. I'll talk you through the next one. Now's a great time if you want to tuck that phone away and make sure it's all zipped up. Just let me know when you're there.
Yep, I'm ready.
All right. Next up, we got a loop. I know you know what a loop is, but I'm just going to talk you through what it feels like in the jet. So it's going to be a 3.5 to 4 G pull initially to get till we're pointed straight up. Then you'll feel the G kind of ease. Great time to relax. I'll tell you when that's happening. And then as we scoop out the backside of the loop, you're going to feel that 3.5 to 4 G pull one more time.
All right.
We get pointed back to the west. And we'll start this from 8,000 feet. Cool part is once we're upside down over the top, you'll be able to look back, kind of over your shoulders, and find our smoke trail.
Nice.
And we got the smoke on. Here we go. Ready, hit it. There's your 3.5 Gs. You won't feel more than this. Hold this again. Here comes that ease. Feel free to relax your legs just for a moment. And there's our smoke trail. We got some wind out of the north. And you'll feel the G's steadily build. So get the legs ready. Here comes that pull. Maneuver complete. Nice work. All right, next up we got inverted flight. So for this one, just make sure you got at least a fist width between your helmet and the canopy.
Okay.
Kind of like what I'm doing right here. Cool, that looks good. And then make sure your lap belt is nice and tight. Sometimes that can loosen up as you get pushed into the seat during that last maneuver. For this one, we're going to be upside down, so -1 G technically. And there's nothing really you can do with your legs to make this one feel better. The best thing to do is just completely relax and enjoy the ride. You ready for it?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, inverted flight. We're going to roll to the left and stay nice and loose. Ready, hit it. There you have it, -1 G flight. Roll it out. How long have you lived in Virginia, sir?
My whole life in Virginia.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
I was doing some light reading about you just from the bio you submitted. I saw that you've been a principal for quite a while now. How do you like it?
Yeah, I love my job. It's incredible. We've got great kids, great families.
Yeah.
It's a dream job for me.
Yeah, that's awesome. I'm sure it's like anything else. You got great days. Probably high highs and low lows in that job.
Yeah,
but I'm sure the highs outweigh.
Yeah, some days are obviously some days are hard.
Yeah.
So we go through some hard stuff sometimes, but we've got great people to go through it with. So that's what counts.
Truly. Yeah, nothing beats a good team. That'll make and break the whole experience.
All right,
let's go play with some of these clouds down here. And that'll be a little more gentle, and I bet you'll have a little more fun doing this one. I'll keep it under 3 Gs for all these maneuvers. We'll do some wing overs, a couple barrel rolls. And if at any point you're not liking what you're feeling, you just holler.
Okay.
And we'll put it on pause. There's a slight pull up and to the right.
Wow.
We'll try to fly right into that little shelf. There, looks like you got plenty.
98477, clear direct Alligator. NASA 520, Ocean approach, Ocean altimeter 2992. Guata. Left heading 05 Papa.
Got a field side proceeding visually.
Roger, within 1 mile, proceed visually.
Going to 7, Wilco. Got the field in sight.
Nice job, 7.
Hey, nice work. Thanks for sticking with me.
Oh, thanks for sticking with me. That was hard stuff. I admire the work you guys do every day.
Oh,
That's
thanks,
tough
sir.
stuff.
Weather always makes it a little more interesting.
Yeah.
We got some really, really good controllers here. They probably have to deal with this stuff all the time. I am grateful for them. Want to go buy them something nice.